I used to hate doing presentations where I'd talk about TV viewing, particularly of younger audiences, and then I'd have this grey line of unmatched, and I'd go, we think this is SVOD, we think it's a bit of gaming, and it's obviously where a lot of time was spent for 4 to 15s and 16 to 34s, but it had become kind of embarrassing to be able to just look at this grey line. So, as I say, I think the last few months have transformed how we can use the data, and I think in terms of commissioning strategy, the key thing is it's different by every genre. So we can start to get under the skin of different genres. But the other thing we can now do with the Barb data is we can let our data scientists loose on it, and they can start to map out all the cultural tastes and content preferences of younger audiences, including all the SVOD data. And it's given us a richness that we've never been able to have before. So we are loving having this data.